Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add watermark to your social media posts in GoHighLevel. Before we get started with GoHighLevel tutorial, make sure to click the first link down below to get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel. Now let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to switch to your sub account. Now, once you switch to your sub account, what we want to do is we want to go to the marketing section, because here we'll be able to go and add a watermark. So let's go to the watermark or marketing section here. And what we want to do is we want to go to the social planner. Now, as you can see right here, if we go to settings, we have watermark. So basically a watermark can be an image that will be put on your post. So if you're posting, for example, photos on Instagram, you will have your own watermark on that photo. So you can add a watermark right here. As you can see, this can be a brand logo. It can be, with opacity, with scale, however you want. For example, this can be logo. We can go here and upload it. Now this will be uploaded into your, into your images here. Into your media section. So let's just click this one. Obviously the image should be 200 by 200. So let's just go upload, and we will upload one file here. So let's just go with the logo files. Let's make this logo. Let's upload it, and let me show you how you can use this. So as you can see, we have a logo here. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So right now we can add a scale to it, right? Opacity and scale. So let's say like this. We can make it in the middle. On the right side, we can make it down or below. I like below here, and let's just hit create. This will create a watermark for us, as you can see, and now we have a watermark. Now, next time we go to the social account or go back, and next time we want to create a new post, we can create a new post with a watermark. So that's pretty much how to add watermark to social media posts in GoHighLevel. Again, if you want, you can opt in with our 30-day free trial down below on GoHighLevel. We have some special deals below in the description as well, so check that out, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.